Welcome back to Excel NS. Please like, share, and follow TechStream on all social media platforms. We are still on Excel text functions. We'll be answering questions using different data sets to get ourselves more proficient with the functions. Now, our question, this the data set we'll be using. We'll be answering questions pertaining to that data set. Let's get right into it. The first question says, extract the first section of item description in B2. That is the text before the first dash in item description. So over here in an item description, you have to extract this first word before this first dash. So we have to extract that. Now, to do that, we use our left function. Our left function be to find this and that. Just like we did in the previous video to extract the first name, we'll come over here. We'll call it item. And then, since we are only looking, are we looking for all of it? Okay, in B2 only. So in B2, we'll come here, left, the left function, open brackets, B2. Oh, I forgot to put my equals to. Remember, if you don't put your equals to, the function will not run. So left B2, find. We have to find our dash, and then in that B2 we subtract 1. But I have a feeling that the value will not be found, because if you notice here, Excel works very critically on the value you give it. Here we put this hyphen here, but the hyphen here is fundamentally different. So the value is also different. Now if we cut this out, we copy this, and we replace it here. Then we have only the phone, but because of that dash, it showed the value was not found. That value error said that it did not find this dash to be replaced or to stop counting there. So the function didn't run as a whole. So we answered the first question. Our second question is, extract the storage size 64 gig from B2. So we have to extract the storage size from B2. Here we have the item, which is full. Now we have to, this storage type, which is 64 gig, we'll come over here, call it storage. We have to extract only the storage. If left is from the beginning, from the end we have right. And from that right, in B2, what we want is only this 64 gig. Now to get only this 64 gig, we can use the same way we use for this, but a simpler method is just to input the 4. It will return, it will go from here, count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and return it to us. There we have it, 64 gig. Now we could go through the find this position, all that, but it is more complicated. But this is the straightforward way. The right function is start from the end and count down to the amount of characters that is specified that you need. But let's try doing it this way, with the trim, the right, the length, and the other function. This function inside a function. Here we got the 64 gig, but we can also get the 64 gig using another method. So let's try it. So here we have, it said a trim, then we have the right. So the right and the trim are nested in each other. We have the trim, bracket open, right, then specify the cell B2. This cell was specified B2, and then the length to count the amount of cell, the amount of characters in the cell, that is the length B2. Still on that B2, then you minus it from the find. This find function. This find function is now going to find this dash. Now it will find this dash. In that dash, it will add 1 and start from there. So we add 1 and start from here. So as you can see, black 64 gig. Where did I make my mistake? I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, let me see. Okay, I've seen that my mistake was closing it too early. Here, over here, we find the first dash because there are 2 dashes. I forgot that we had 2 dashes here, so I closed it, and that's why it returned to us what it returned to us. So because of the first dash, this is to find the first dash. Then this is to find the position of the second dash. That is to find the position of the second dash after the first dash. So after this, B2, we do a comma and we put another find function to find the second dash. So then we put our B2. Then over here we can close the function. Then we add +1. Close everything. And here we have our 64 gig. It's very much more complicated from this. But if you try to fill this, let's say, let's try this over here. If you try this over here, and we try to fill this, you could see that we have only inch, here we have GB28. We don't have everything from the start of this second dash. But if you try to fill this one, let's take it somewhere here and try to fill it. You can see we have everything after the second dash. The difference is, let me explain this. This find here will find the first dash. Then this second find will find the second dash after the first dash. That is, this find dash B will find this dash here. Then this second one will find this second dash after starting from here. This lens will calculate the positions of each character. It will calculate the total character and how many characters after the dash and how many characters after the second dash. Subtract it. After the second dash, it will subtract the others, then start from there. Then this +1. This +1. Normally it's supposed to start from this dash to count. This second dash, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this +1, let's say we remove this +1. We have black 64 gig. That +1 helps the Excel position where it's starting from, which is this place. Else to start from this first dash because of this lens that is here. It will start from this first dash and count. But because of this second dash that is here and this +1, it will start from here. This 64 gig to count it and return it to us. So when we fill, it will give us everything after the second dash. So we've answered 2 questions for this video and our time is up. In the next video, we'll answer the third and other questions pertaining to this data set. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.